sister was doing Distinguished Young Women's pageant.
Wow, whatever that is.
Yeah, so I went and watched her perform at a pageant for a few hours.
How old is she?
She's a junior, so she's I don't know, 16.
Okay, junior in high school. Nice. Oh, well, that's
Yeah.
cool. You're a good big brother. That was probably torture.
Yeah, it was pretty long.
Oh, too funny. I've done this mini project twice, and the first time I messed up the freeze paint, like the freeze frames at the top.
Yeah.
And so then I was like, oh, I'm just going to turn it in like that. But then I also noticed that I forgot to turn off the grid lines. So then I was like, oh, now there's two things wrong. So then I just redid the whole thing, finished, and realized I didn't do the freeze frames at the top again. And I'm like, oh, forget it. I'm just going to turn it in. I don't even care. It'll be minor. Everything else is on it correct.
Yeah, that's what I did. Like I did it all right, and then when I copied it over, something went wrong, and it like copied 90% of the stuff, and not like it didn't adjust all the borders sometimes and stuff. So it was just weird.
Yeah.
Like, forget it.
Yeah, the very first time I did it, everything was perfect on the original one, but then the freeze frame messed up on all the copies, and I'm like, well, how is that even possible when the original one is working perfect?
Yeah.
I don't get it. So I'm like, I was gonna ask you if I could see your, like, where you go into developer and you can see all of the codes.
Yeah.
And I was like, maybe I'll just try typing in the freeze frame code, but then I was like, I'll probably just end up doing more damage than good. Until we learn how to edit those, I should probably leave it alone. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's probably better to just turn it in and have the one thing wrong than mess up the whole thing at this point in time.
Yeah, I agree. At this point, I'm having a hard time carrying.
Yeah, it's hard. It's hard. But we're almost there. I think we have, what, one more week of mini projects?
Yeah, one more.
Whoa, nice. One more week. What did you decide you're going to do for your final exam?
I think just like a budget or something.
Yeah.
I don't know, something simple.
I figure I'll make a dashboard with my budget where I can like click on either one of the topics and then it pops up, or like the topic and the month and it pops up. You know, so I can go, how much did I spend in groceries last November? And then have that pop up.
Yeah.
I'm like, that won't be too hard to do. At this point, we know how to do VLOOKUPs pretty well. Yet it'll make my budget look like I tried, you know.
Yeah.
Instead of just an Excel spreadsheet budget. So that's what I was thinking. Do you want to show me your mini project? What was this?
Yeah.
19?
Yeah, let me just find it real quick.
So that our video is turning to be at least 5 minutes long. I'll show you mine. Do you want me to share my screen?
Yeah, mine's loading right now, so
okay. I'll share my screen. There it is. Okay, this is what mine ended up looking like. And if I go to like the next page and do Control M, you'll see like it runs and looks pretty good.
Yeah.
So I just noticed my total inventory up here is turning red.
Mine was doing that too, and I don't know.
It's probably just because it's near that red box. Oh well, I don't care so much. And then what did I tell you was wrong? Oh, my freeze frame. I didn't freeze frame. See?
Oh yeah.
So I'll get that wrong. But besides that, I think it's totally fine.
Well, oh yeah, because your freeze frame has to be in the macro, huh?
Yep. And I was gonna have you like show me your coding and see if I could try typing it in.
Well,
but I'm afraid.
How I did is you just have to click on that first item number, that B1091 or whatever. You click there, and then you go up to freeze panes, and you hit you don't hit the freeze the first two rows. You just hit the very first option. I think it's just like it freezes the panes based off where you've selected, and so it freezes all the rows above where you clicked.
Gotcha. Yeah. I don't want to have to redo everything.
Yeah,
so I was going to attempt to type it into the developer code
Yeah, just add it in.
Yeah, but I'll just end up screwing it up at this point if I attempt something like that, you know?
Yeah.
So that's what mine looks like. Do you see any huge other errors?
No,
Just
mine
say
looks a
no.
lot like that.
I'll just say no.
Yeah, mine looks a lot like that. So
Okay, do you want me to look at yours?
yeah, let me share real quick.
We're driving home tomorrow, so next week
Vacation's over.
Yep, vacation over. It was so fun. The sunshine here has been so great.
So
Oh, yours looks good.
this is what mine ended up being like.
I forgot to color my background. Do you think that's gonna matter?
I don't know. Hopefully not, right?
Maybe a little bit.
And
How
then
did you remove your red boxes?
like up top here,
Yeah, how did you remove
when
like
I
your
when I hit the fill the whole background, it just covered it all blue.
Oh, very cool. Yeah, yours looks good. I can't see anything that you missed.
And then I don't have another sheet to like run it again, but when I run it, it doesn't run perfect, but it works.
Yeah, at this point, I'm like, oh, well, and I think I might have forgot. I'm looking at yours. I think I might have forgot to change my price to dollars. Dang it.
Oh, do you just have decimals?
Let me see. Yes, I totally did. Dang it. Oh, and all my decimals are off.
I had my decimals, um, all part of it on this one, and then when I copied it over, they were
Yeah.
all still there. It didn't erase the zeros or
Yeah,
all the
that's
decimals.
weird. Because, yeah, I'm looking at my original one and the decimals aren't there.
Yeah, and so I just got rid of the decimals again, but
But they're going to go in and press Control M and watch it. So,
yeah, and you know what? It cuts the time in half. If this was an actual job, they cuts the time in half dramatically.
totally.
So if all they have to do is get rid of some zeros, I'd be happy with it.
Yeah, totally. The way that things have been graded in here, though, I'm like, oh, who knows? I might get a D on this just because I'm missing the freeze frame, the decimals, and the dollar signs.
Oh, I know. You think you have it, but
So, but that's all right. At least I'll get something.
yep.
So, all right. Well, we'll talk next week. Have a good weekend. Have a happy Easter.
You too.
And I'll send you the link right now. Okay.
Okay, sounds good. Thanks.
Okay. Talk to you later.
Yep.
Bye.